We are looking at a Ram 1500 2016 lifted. It's got the fuel wheels on it. Great looking truck. This is a Carfax one owner. Do it got a Hemi? It do. Carfax one owner. Great truck. Steps, everything you're looking for. Call us today, 972-938-8000. 972-938-8000. You want to show off for your neighbors. Get this 4x4 Dodge Ram 1500. Great truck. Call us at 972-938-8000. Dual exhaust, tow package, ready to go. A lot of extras on this truck. 20 minutes south of Dallas, I-35 287, beautiful Waxahachie, Texas. CarlisleGM.com. Shop us at CarlisleGM.com today.